This video is brought to you, of course, by Gary's Tours, and it's being recorded in 4K and 60 frames per second. The nice thing about that is that gives you the best color rendition that's possible. And with that color rendition, these are some beautiful homes, aren't they? And we do a blue sky today. Everything looks better with a blue sky. Possibly, this is an iPhone 15. I didn't buy the 16 because I'm waiting for them to come out with 8K. Apple's new head device, their virtual reality device, we put that on, it's an 8K. And it takes you to a child's birthday party. And if you look at it, you feel as though you can reach out and touch the cake. Absolutely so realistic, it's astounding. It also does 360 surround video. So you can turn around in your virtual headset and you can see all kinds of stuff. You can stand on the edge of a cliff and look around in Ireland. Absolutely beautiful. And I will start recording in 8K for you as soon as it's available. Now this is a park. This is the Riverside Park. We have some time. Let's see if we can get in and walk around a little bit. Be nice to see how close we can get to the Hudson River. But this is Riverside Drive. Lots of people walking their dogs. Beautiful dog. Beautiful dog, sir.
What?
Beautiful dog.
Thank you.
Yeah, I guess we can get in this way. Let's go see what it's like in here. There's a pigeon. Let's see what the sign says here, what this place is called. Shakespeare Workout, Hudson Classical Theater Company, master classes in stage combat acting, voice production. 3 Saturdays, the 14th, 12th, and 9th of August, from 3 to 5. Free to the public. Summer at the Hudson. Yeah, we are at the Hudson right now, I guess. I hear kids playing, the happy voices of kids. I keep thinking of dystopian movies where something happened and all of a sudden there weren't a lot of kids around and people missed the playful noise that kids make. So now this is a decent sized park right adjacent to the Hudson, between Riverside Drive and the Hudson River. There used to be a railroad that went down the Hudson River and brought fresh meat, actual animals that were alive, cattle, pigs, chickens, and brought them down to the slaughterhouse area because they didn't have refrigeration until probably 1940. So they had to bring live animals in, slaughter them, and then rush them to restaurants before the meat went bad. There's a monument. How about that? Who would think? There's a monument. Look at this monument. We don't know who the monument is for, but it's for someone. Let's see who the monument is for. Beautiful monument. Who's the monument for? Do you know? Whose monument is that? Do you know?
Huh?
Whose monument is that? Is that for someone famous?
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know? Maybe we can find out. She doesn't know. But that's okay. It's beautiful. Right, we can't get up there. There's no signs on it. Now we go all the way down here, or not. There's a place you can sit and look around. It's a quick overview of this, what appears to be a grassy area down there for some sort of sports activity. There's where we heard the kids. You can see in the background, hear the noise of the Henry Hudson Parkway, which is between this park and the Hudson River. And if you look through the trees, you can see, just about see the Hudson River and the water of the Hudson River, where it's peeking through a little bit. And there's where we heard the kids. The kids are playing there. Let's zoom in and see what they're doing. Looks like they're having fun. Lots of kids. Oh, there's a girl sunbathing. How about that? Or a woman, I should say. If you're over 18, you're a woman. She looks like she's over 18. All right, so we don't know who this structure is for. I will research it and try to find out before I publish this video. There's no signs to tell us. Maybe we can find a sign around this way. Let's see. I'm curious about this. Might be a sign up here. I see some signs. Let's see what it says. The Hudson Classic Theater Company admission line begins here. Okay. It wants to pay. And we're not going to it right now. Let's see what this sign says. Riverside Park Conservatory. Think of us as helicopter parents of every New York playground. New York City Parks Department. Maybe we can find out who this tomb is. Looks like tomb. Maybe it's Grant's tomb. I'm not sure whose tomb it is. It's somewhat important. It's getting very warm here in the sun. I won't tell you. No. I guess this is the front entrance to it. Maybe there's a plaque here. Hopefully there's a plaque. Besides it being fenced off, I don't see a plaque. No name, no plaque. It's somebody, it's a tower for someone important. Don't know who. And it's here at, we're now down to 89th Street. Let's see if we can find a plaque. This is like exploring. Isn't it fun to explore? More people enjoying the park. And now we get an even better view. This, it looks like a water tower to me, by the way. Don't know who it is, but it's somebody important. There's eagles on the top of it. Ah, I see writing up here. Let's see what this says. This writing is obliterating, can't be read. There's writing over here. New York Volunteer Regiments, 72nd, 73rd, 74th, 79th. This is, I guess, a monument, possibly for deceased members of these New York City regiments. Possibly. Let's see what the other side says. See, there's the Hudson River right there. We're very close to the Hudson River. It's just the same thing, basically. The 5th, 7th, 40th, 2nd, 59th, 61st, and 65th. These are more regiments actively engaged. Volunteer regiments. This is a monument to them. And there's the Hudson River off in the distance, which you can probably see. And the Henry Hudson Parkway below us, and more park. And more fun things to do down there. It's like a layered park. Well, this will conclude our quick look at the Riverside Park and 91st Street. I'm sorry, 90th Street. And we will now end the video at this point.